In this video, we are going to see the power of DGET function and how it works very smoothly, very easily in a multi-dimensional data. So here we can see that we have the country-wise sales data for each month. So we want to define a search box like this, that we enter the country name, we enter the month, and then it should look up both of these criteria and extract the results based on that. So let's say for Canada and April, it will look up for Canada first from here, and then it will extract the results for April. In the index match function, it's quite difficult. So first of all, I'll just write index here. So index is a complete table. Let's select that, comma, the row number. We will extract the row number using the match function. So I'll write match here. Lookup value is whatever country I have mentioned here. Because I cannot select this cell directly, I have to click up and then press the down arrow key, comma. We can find this country names in this list. So let's select the whole list along with the headings, lookup array, exact match, close out of here, close the bracket, column number, comma, column number. In the column number, we will again write match. Lookup value is this, and we will find all the months in here. And that should also be fixed, and comma, exact match. And after that, just hit enter and it will automatically close the data for you by closing the brackets. Click yes. And as we can see, the data is picked up correctly. Canada and April sales is, okay, there is some mistake. Table is, I'll select from this point to this point, hit enter. Okay, we need to select the array from the starting, because in this one, we have included the headings and we have selected all the data. So in this dimension as well, we will select this heading from start to finish. And this is how we select the data, hit enter. And now it's showing the correct results for Canada and March. But as you can see, the formula is little complex to apply using index match, but in DGET, it's very, very simple, equals to DGET. I'll just select the complete database, comma, and the field is within April that we want to find the result of. And the criteria is based on the country along with the country names. We will select the heading and the country name where we will customize this, mention both of this in the criteria. If you want to fix all of this, you just select this, press F and F4, function key F4, and all of them are fixed. If we hit enter, we get the same results. Let's select March. Let's select Japan. So as you can see that we are getting the same results, but with fraction of effort. So in DGET, it's very simple to apply the formula, and in index match, it's a bit complex and there's more chances of error. Again, let's see, equals to DGET. I just select the database as complete, including the headings. Just make sure to include the headings on both sides, comma. The field is whatever is above you, whatever is the main criteria. So we want to search it according to the country, but for the month of March. So March is our field, and under the criteria, we are searching it firstly by the countries. So include the headings and the field in which we will be writing the country name, and all of them are selected. Just fix this and hit enter. So this is how you can do it. Let's enter Kenya. Let's enter Pakistan, and it's 17,224 March. Let's try it in May, and we have 18,060 in May. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.